In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a clip in Premiere Rush. This is a fundamental skill that can greatly assist in refining your video editing process, whether you're working on a personal project or a professional assignment. Let's dive right into it. First, you will need to import your video clip into your project. To do this, open Premiere Rush and ensure your project is ready. Importing your video is straightforward. Usually, you can click on the Add Media button, locate your desired clip on your computer or device, and import it into the project panel. Once it's in the project panel, simply drag and drop your clip onto the timeline. Positioning it on the timeline is as easy as clicking and holding the clip, then dragging it to your desired start point. This visual representation of your scene sequence allows you to see each clip frame by frame, making it easier to make precise edits. Next, let's move on to splitting your clip. Move the playhead, which is that little line with a handle on top, to the exact point where you want your clip to be divided. The playhead is a critical component in video editing as it determines the exact frame you're working on. If you're unsure about the exact spot, take your time to play through your video on the timeline to find the perfect position for your cut. Now, click on your clip to make sure it's active. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating you're ready to make changes to it. Ensuring the clip is selected is crucial, as it ensures you're working on the correct clip, especially if you have multiple clips on your timeline. Once your clip is selected and the playhead is in position, it's time to split. If you're working with Premiere Rush on a mobile device, you can choose Split from the pop-up menu, which usually appears when you tap on the clip. Alternatively, if you're using Premiere Rush on a desktop, you can use the Split command. This can be accessed via the toolbar or even more efficiently by using the keyboard shortcut by pressing S. This shortcut can greatly speed up your workflow, especially when making multiple cuts. After you've split your clip, you'll see that it's now divided at your playhead position into two separate pieces. These independent sections can now be moved around the timeline, deleted, or edited individually. This step opens up a world of possibilities for your editing process, allowing you to resequence your clips, apply different effects to each segment, or remove unwanted portions effortlessly. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool for any video editor. With practice, you'll be able to use these steps to polish your video projects more efficiently. Happy editing!